Hello guys, what's up? It's me again, and I'm here back at my channel. Today I'm here with my cousin who replaced Caden, who betrayed me. And I'm here with my brother. Shane would like to, he asked me for a favor if I could do this, and I hope every single person here would be able to do that for me. I would actually be pretty happy. He wants me to oh, come on. Anyways, ignore him. He's my friend. All right. My thing's friend, my brother's friend. Anyways, so yeah, Shane would like me to say, like everybody to follow his TikTok channel. The username is x.shane.x0, like in chat. If you forget it, don't worry. I'll put it in the description or I'll put it in the title. All right. But yeah, I don't know who these guys are. I'll quickly ban them after. Wait, who the heck is this? Anyways, no, ignore that. We're gonna go rev our cars right now. Alright, come. Shane, let's rev it. Don't worry, yeah, so this is our car. We're gonna do that right after this. So yeah, this is our car. Shane's car is a Bugatti. 4 seats, and then he'll do the rest, alright? We're just gonna overview our cars. Alright, Shane, what's your car? Yeah, my one is a Rolls Royce, 300 miles per hour. Cause it says it's 200, but it's like 300 because of the turbos.
The different models will be coming to my car now because I'm gonna give you guys a perspective of what it's like in my drift.
Yeah, we're gonna go, and then Shane will come in our car. Wait, come. Where you are, bro? We're not here yet.
Okay, I see you. Liam, sit in. Come inside and Miles sit on the wing.
Yeah. Alright, so this is the perspective of Shane's car. It's like pretty cool. Turbo 3000 makes it so much faster. But yeah, we'll do more than enough to try and get you guys to, yeah, go for it. He'll show you donuts right now. He'll do donuts right now. Ready? Yeah, Shane's really good at driving, trust me. Anyways, yeah, if you want us to collab or anything, because Shane actually has a YouTube channel, if you guys could subscribe. Yeah, we can collab anytime, anytime at all. Alright, we're going to Jet now.
Now, this is my car.
Oh, no, we're not getting a jet now, buddy.
Yeah, we're getting a Jet. Alright, I got mine first. Alright, just wait for me at the top. Yeah, we're going to just get jets, and that's it. Cause we can.
Because we just feel like it, because we just built different.
See, this is why I said Shane should be in our video. It's cause he's actually pretty good at everything in videos.
Guys, I'm just a kid and I'm driving a jet.
Sick, Miles. Anyways, yeah, so this is how we're gonna do. We're gonna fly over Brookhaven and show you the entire
Guys, my friend brother cousin is driving my car.
Don't worry, ignore him, right? Alright, we're gonna fly over Brookhaven. So this is this is the top view of Brookhaven. There's a barn, there's the back of the map, the big mountain. Where are you? Yeah, I see you. You're flying up. Yeah, so there's a nuclear bunk, and Shane will show you the rest. Meanwhile, me, I'm just gonna start drifting.
So, you guys can come in my car. Liam, you wanna hop in my one?
What do you mean? Oh, yeah, just land it somewhere, alright, and I'll come in.
Okay, I already parked it.
Where are you at? Your jet?
It's right here.
Where's your jet? I see you. Cheetah!
So he's gonna be coming into my car for a little perspective from your guys' view.
Yeah, and he'll tell you all about the Brookhaven map and what is outside, what is inside. No worries, I don't take any offense of that. Alright.
Basically, here we have the big arch, and I think Liam knows about the secret about this house. Not this one. Let me just show you guys real quick. You see that house over there, the little one right here?
Yeah?
Yeah, do you know the secret about it?
Yeah. Isn't it the one that where the Brookhaven, before the Brookhaven owner?
It's about the movie.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, that one.
So you guys, there's a but should we show them?
Do you want to show them? Yeah, why not?
Yeah, why not? Because you guys, it's my first time being here, and I might as well just be very nice.
Guys, I'm coming back.
And
I
plus,
just hope that
and plus,
I'm
my
fine.
friend Caden would never ever do this. Like, he would just, like, you know,
As you guys see, we're gonna get it right now.
yeah.
I'm gonna jump off because
Yeah, pop off. I'm off.
Guys, I'm gonna park this jet on top of the
Yeah,
house.
so what you
yeah?
do is there's like a secret area where you have to like,
I want you to go in your sleeping bag.
yeah, you guys have to go in a sleeping bag. So so Shane will tell you what to do, and I'll copy off him because you guys might not hear because we have to play too. Wait, give me a second. I'm finding a sleeping bag.
Like, put at a specific angle. So like that. Never mind, that's the wrong way. The white thing always must be facing inside.
Yeah, and then you glitch inside and see a movie. I think.
No, you'll glitch inside and get the code to the movie.
Wait! I can't. Wait, what's the code? What's the code?
Wait.
Wait, not this again. Where there's always so much fire.
I'm trolling you guys.
Oh.
Okay. Guys, I can't.
What's the thing, Shane?
Sorry, it was taking me long because I was glitched.
Don't worry.
And now I'm literally inside the coffin.
Wait, there's a hidden letter. Wait, can you guys see that?
Know the code? Do you guys want to know the code?
Yeah, where do we put the code in though?
Just follow me, guys.
Where's the bed?
Yeah, so we're following Shane right now because he said he knows where the code is, where we put the code in.
I've done it like a billion times.
Wait, guys, let me get on the back. I'm gonna go on the back, yeah? Hey, wait for me! Wait for me, Shane!
Yeah, so right now we're just taking a spin in his car.
Shane, wait for me!
Nothing too bad, but like also nothing too good.
Shane!
After this, we're gonna end our
Shane.
video. Next time we'll see you.
Shane!
So don't worry. Miles, chill.
What about the house tour?
We're gonna do that next time, alright?
Alright, part 2.
Part 2, yeah. PT2.
So you guys need to be going.
Whoever watches this, I thank you so much, but I also thank you if you follow Shane. It would be a dream to him, and it would also be a dream to me.
Yeah, so you guys need to come in here. Liam, come.
Yup. Wait, isn't it the producer? Yeah. And then what's the code?
Once you do the code, wait, can you guys move your head?
What's the code? Just tell me what the code was.
I sent it.
On Viber?
No, like in the game.
Alright.
7, 8, 7, 8.
735.
Okay, wait, I'm doing it. Wait, give me a second. Wait, so 7,
8, 7,
8, 7.
8, 7,
3, 5.
3, 5.
Yeah, 2, 5.
And then look, it's coming now. As you guys can see, it's coming.
Yeah, see? So guys, this is literally the movie of...
That's how Sigma I am, guys. I told you guys.
Alright, I guess this is where it ends. We're gonna wave bye in our email tab. Ready?
Bye, guys.
Alright, where's the bye, bro? As you can see, I'm not really that good with this, but I'm gonna post 28 out.
There we go. Bye.
Alright, bye guys.
Bye.
See you next time.